Welcome to your Weibull Journey. This is a collection of 6 short videos introducing you to Weibull analysis. At the end of these 6 videos, you will have a better understanding of what reliability is, what type of data do you need, and what type of model you're going to use for your analysis, and how can you improve your analysis, and finally, what type of results you're going to extract. So let's start. First of all, what is reliability? What is the definition of reliability? Reliability is a probability, in so much that the result we obtain is an estimate, and it is not a deterministic analysis, it is a probabilistic type of analysis. And it is a probability of a product in a very generic sense of the word, because it could be a complex system, it could be a subsystem, it could be a component. So we're looking at the probability of whatever we want to analyze to be able to fulfill its function, and clearly we have to define what is the functional analysis of that product, and normally we extract that information, or we define that information in the FMEA. And we're looking at the probability of this product to be able to fulfill its function for a specific window of time, because the product will not last indefinitely. And we have to set this mission time to be able to extract this probability. And will also vary in relation to the environment where the product is going to operate, because it could be operating in a harsh environment compared to the product specification, and in which case it will last, we're expecting it will last less. So we're looking at the probability of a product to fulfill its function in a specific time and environment without exhibiting a failure. And we have to be clear what is the definition of failure, because in some cases it may not be so straightforward. So this probability, as we said, is going to be linked to the window of time we are considering, but we're not necessarily relating to time in terms of hours. It depends on the product, because for some product we may be looking at the random variable to analyze our data as kilometers, or maybe looking at cycle, maybe looking at revolution, and so on. So it very much depends on the random variable that is influencing the aging of our product. And as we say, this probability will change with regard to the time, to the environment. Say, as we say, in a harsh environment, typical of accelerated testing, the product will last less. If we derate our product, therefore we expecting the product to last longer. And then we have this cross connection between the functions and the failure. So we have to be clear what is the function of the product, and from there derive what are the failures. But we have to be clear that the failures are established from a customer perspective. So in the second video, we'll be looking at the type of data we need. So thank you for watching. See you in part 2.